Hi, I'm Michelle Soames-Bucher from the Wisconsin Small Business Development Center. I'd like to welcome you to the SBDC Entrepreneurial How-To video series. Today I'm going to give you an overview of how to increase your chances of getting a loan. Lenders consider the 5 C's of credit when meeting with a business loan applicant. The 5 C's are character, capacity, collateral, capital, and conditions. Character is about getting to know you, your work experience, and your personal credit history. Learning more about your story will give the lender confidence about your ability to repay your debts. Capacity refers to your business's ability to pay ongoing expenses as well as make the loan payment. The lending institution wants to make sure you can also handle any unexpected expenses, such as a delivery van repair or damaged inventory. Collateral is the assets that you own, such as inventory, accounts receivable, real estate, or special equipment that you are pledging toward the business. Some small business owners may leverage their personal home as collateral to secure the loan. Capital is the money or assets, such as machinery, you have personally invested in the business. Financial institutions want to make sure you have a stake in the business and know that you are assuming some of the risk. Finally, the conditions of the general business environment are examined by the lender. For example, let's say you're starting a business manufacturing safety vests for construction and the building industry is booming. You are more likely to obtain a business loan in these conditions than if there was an economic slowdown causing the building industry to stall. Communication is key to a good lending relationship. Be honest about any challenges you have and ask how you can work together to overcome them. Also, be sure to share your successes and the exciting opportunities offered with your business endeavor. Now that you've had an overview of how to increase your chances of securing a loan, check out the rest of the SBDC Entrepreneurial How-To video series to help you build your business.